In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok videos. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to download any video on TikTok, you need to go ahead and scroll through and find the video that you wish to download. For instance, I want to download this video. To do so, just go ahead and long press on the video. And here you should see we have an option to download. Now, if I go ahead and tap on download, this will go ahead and begin downloading. You can see the download is here and it is done. From here, you can share it anywhere you want, any social media that you wish. And if you go to your gallery now on your phone, you should be able to find this video. As you can see, here is my gallery and the video that I've just downloaded is right here. Now I can go ahead and play it right from here. You can see it is a 36 seconds video. So that's how you can download TikTok videos using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.